Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel where we bring you the latest job opportunities and career insights. If you are a fresh graduate from 2022, 23, or 24 pass out and looking for an exciting career in IT, then this video is an exciting uh, just for you. Today we are diving into an amazing job opportunities at CGI, one of the world's leading IT and business consulting firm. Stay tuned till the end and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more job updates. So this position is going to be of system administrator and associate system engineer, as you can see on your screen. The company name is CGI. Category of this job is going to be software development, and location, as mentioned, is Bangalore and Chennai. So this is a full-time opportunity. So everyone who got passed out in 2022, 23, or 24 are eligible for this particular role. But students with only bachelor degrees are allowed. Master degree is not allowed in this particular program. So let's come to the duties and responsibilities of this particular role. So what you will be doing at CGI if you join it as ASC or system administrator. So you work on computer networks, operating systems, and virtualization technologies. Along with that, you'll also get exposure to cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, and you'll also gain some hands-on experience with scripting or automation tools like Python, PowerShell, Bash, etc. You'll also be involved into problem solving and troubleshooting skills. So that's going to add an extra weightage to your skill sets. You'll also work in collaborative environment, and you'll deal with the communication with the clients and the customers. Or you will also be involved into communication with your own team members. So you'll get great teamwork skill inside you. Skills, as they have mentioned, it is going to be analytical skill and communication management. So you must have these skill sets to be eligible for this particular role. And they have clearly mentioned that the job is not for a master degree. No master degrees are allowed, as they have mentioned here. You can see. So if you are someone who is a master degree, you are not eligible for this role. Now let's come to the fact that why one should join CGA, what it offers to you. So, as it's a great work culture where employees are treated as partners, so you'll get that exposure, that culture where you'll be treated like oneness. The feeling of oneness will be there in that company. You'll also get exposure to global projects and cutting edge technologies, along with career growth opportunity with to continue learning support. You'll also get a great work-life balance, and there are so many well-being initiatives for your healthcare as well. So, as they have mentioned, what you can expect from us, so they are just trying to tell that yeah, we offer like you are invited to be an honor from day one, like you will be treated as the owner of the company. So that's what I told, that it's going to be a very great company for you if you get a chance to work here. So if you're passionate about IT and looking to kickstart your career with a top consulting firm, then don't miss this opportunity. Apply now and take the first step towards an exciting future. Like this video if you found it helpful, subscribe for more job updates, comment below if you have any question, we'll be happy to help. See you in the next video with more career insights and job updates. Until then, keep learning and keep growing. And one more important thing, I have mentioned the link to apply in the description. So don't delay it, go and apply. All the best.